Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to make slime. I'm at a good start, and it's like really ooey gooey. I did the glue and multi-purpose contact solution. I did shaving cream and styling gel and salt, and it's just really sticky, and I don't know, it's white, so it's kind of hard for you to see it, but I'm just going to keep adding stuff to it and see what happens. See if it come together here. I just added some more shaving cream, and I'm going to put some more solution in it. And I don't have it in a bowl, I just have it on my counter here. And this is what it is. It's real sticky, real slimy, and it's all over my hands now. So just trying to knead it a little bit. It looks like it's really coming together though. It's sticky, but it's coming together. I hope I have it in the camera where you can see that. You see how sticky it is? See how it just attacks the counter? Now, I don't think it's a fail because it did form. It's quite sticky, but it is definitely slime. I'm just going to work with it a little bit more. I'm getting it all off of my fingers. That's how sticky it is. It's just sticking everywhere. But with slime, that's what it does, right? It just sticks everywhere until it's really activated. This is like really sticky though. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below letting me know what I should do, what I shouldn't do. And it's just all experimental, of course. Just experimenting to see where, how I can make slime. I mean, that's it. I added some more solution, and I'm doing this straight off the counter, not in a bowl. Adding some more. And it's fluffy at the same time, but it's like it just sticks. It sticks. But I guess I'll work with it. I'm gonna work with it a little bit more. And okay, here it is. I'm using the slime itself to get the excess off of my hands. But there it is. I mean, it's not as sticky anymore. It's better. There it is. So it's definitely slime. And there it is on the counter. And squishy, not sticking so much to the hands that much. It still has some stickiness to it. It's still, but it has a lot of stretch in it. And yeah. Let's see. There it is. There's the stretch. There's the, so yeah. Let's do that again so you guys can really see. I need to have better camera. I know. Next time I'll have to put some color into it so you really can see it. So anyways, tell me what you like. Tell me what you guys thought of this slime video. Leave your comments below. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.